And we have some dramatic new video to start of a tornado ripping through parts of Florida. At least two twisters touched down near Tampa yesterday. This looks really impressive on video. National Weather Service says the first tornado touched down with 65-mile-an-hour winds. The second twister had winds of an estimated 76 miles an hour, was on the ground for about a mile. That makes them EF0 tornadoes, but it shows you even the weak tornadoes can do a lot of damage. About 15 homes were damaged. Fortunately, no injuries reported. We're going to start off with a look at some slightly calmer weather around here, starting off all through with a very calm dog. It's been a few weeks since Dagny's been down here. I've had a lot of Fridays off, which means she's had a lot of Fridays off. We are going to be out Saturday morning, so that's the forecast that's behind me here at the Willpower 5K in Franklin. She is the celebra dog for that race that happens in Franklin, starts at the Franklin Square. Registration on site at 7 o'clock. It's too late at this point to register online, but you can register on site tomorrow morning. It's a great cause, and you can read more about it at willpower5k.com. The race itself starts at 7:30. It's going to be brisk out there tomorrow morning. Temperatures are going to be in the 30s. Bundle up appropriately. Dagny will actually love it because she's still getting rid of her winter coat. By the time you finish up, temperatures should be around 40 degrees. We should see a lot of sunshine, just a few clouds here and there, so come out and join us. Yesterday, we had some threatening looking clouds. This was over Briley Parkway. These pictures from Twitter looked awfully, looked a lot worse than they actually were. Just a few rumbles of thunder here and there, and once the rain moved through, a couple rainbows. Hint of a double rainbow there, and more of a view of a double rainbow here. I'm going to have a link in the Forewarn blog today about how those double rainbows form and what the situation is that makes those appear. Another picture, this one from Facebook, of another double rainbow from last night. So always nice to see that after the rain moves through. We don't have any rain out there this morning. We just have, well, clear skies in some parts of the mid-state and not so clear skies in other parts of the mid-state. Looking good from the city of Clifton here in Wayne County. Metro Nashville, some cloud cover overhead. No actual showers out of these clouds, but that could change already by later on this morning. Temperatures are cooler than they were at this point yesterday. The humidity is 100%. The air temperature and the dew point are exactly the same, but the wind has been stirring around just enough to keep that fog from really spreading out across the mid-state. Temperatures right now, though, are chilly in a lot of locations. A lot of 30s in the map this morning. Tomorrow morning, everybody is going to be in the 30s, if not a few spots in the upper 20s. That's why we have that freeze warning in effect. 43 degrees right now in Nashville and Gallatin. Those are the warm spots. Mid to upper 30s common, though, so throw on a jacket as you're heading out the door this morning. Not much of a warm up today, but we will warm up gradually. Mid 50s by noon, upper 50s for highs this afternoon. About 10 degrees below average. Northwesterly winds and the intermittent cloud cover keeping us cool, along with scattered showers redeveloping as we head towards the middle of the day. Best chance will be east of I-65, but a few showers possible west of I-65 as well. That afternoon shower activity moves off to the east this evening, which is good news for the Sounds. First pitch at 6:35. Into the overnight hours, around midnight, one more ripple in the atmosphere moves through with one more chance of showers, maybe even a couple snowflakes mixed in along the Cumberland Plateau, but they will not accumulate. Starting off tomorrow morning with partly cloudy skies, but we'll see a lot of sunshine throughout the day tomorrow. It's just not going to warm us up a whole lot. Temperatures are only going to climb up into the mid-50s for highs tomorrow, and with clear skies tomorrow night, we're going to drop right back down into the mid-30s by early Sunday. Increasing clouds, but strong southerly winds will warm us up to the mid-60s Sunday, low 70s Monday, but with our best chance of showers and maybe some strong thunderstorms. We'll keep an eye on that through the weekend.
Yeah, good heads up for people.
I know a couple of flakes you can keep an eye on. Yeah, but just a thought.